Apple 4D app to view virtual reality animal photos. Before we start, you should know the difference between 3D and 4D. 3D representation is presented with three variables: length, width, and height, whereas 4D adds one more variable, and that is the time variable. Click on the Google Play icon. The Google Play search box appears. Now type Animal 4D app. Now click on Animal 4D Plus and click on Install button. The application is installing in your mobile. Click Open. The application will be open in your mobile. Now click on Allow. Click OK. Again OK. Click on the cross button. In another mobile, type 4D animal images. The 4D images will appear. Now click on monkey. Now place another mobile over it and see the miracle. The monkey will appear in 4D. Similarly, you can do it for another images. You can also print these images on a paper and place the mobile over this paper to get the 4D view.